Hello and greetings to you all my dear subscribers. Hello YouTube. Guess where I am at the moment? Not in Turkey, not in Scotland, not even in the UK. I am in Cyprus. I am at the Marash, the ghost town. I'm literally freaking out. I'm so happy and glad that I have done it. So all we need to do, we are going to explore it together.
For exploring this place, you have got 4 choices. You can hire a golf cart, bicycle, either a scooter or like I have done by foot. And trust me, I have done the best choice. And there are tourist guides as well, but I don't know the price. Sorry about that, guys. Once you have entered this place, strange, atmosphere is literally embracing your soul, all under the blazing sun. And I'm suggesting everyone, do not rush, go everywhere, explore every single part of this place.
You can encounter with the sign, literally warning sign, everywhere. This is surreal for me, seriously. I'm so glad that I've made it. Okay, let's explore more. Since 1974, Maraş, Famagusta, Maraş has been deserted, guys. And literally on year 2020, they have opened it for the visitors, but just a certain part of it has been open to the public. Oh God, I'm literally boiling. I think this the Galaxy. It was the souvenir shop. Whoa, it's 21 degrees. 14th of March. I cannot imagine coming over here during summer. No, it won't be the widest idea. Not post box. I am so used to these from Scotland, let's say the UK. There. As you can see, street plate looks brand new, although more than 40-45 years passed. Do you know what? I prefer to walk and explore this place. I don't know, but it's just my personal choice, Unbelievable. Literally, the vegetation grew every single place. Oh dear. I just wonder, what kind of hurry they have left this place. As far as I know, as soon as the Turks dropped the first bomb in here, all the inhabitants of Famagusta, or Maraş, they literally took a couple of belongings and they have left the city. They were all like, genuinely hoping to come back one day, but it hasn't happened. Maybe one day. I just wonder, Where are the owners of this place? Everywhere these warning signs, guys, so you need to be really careful. They've even told me that do not enter the buildings, and you are not allowed to use drone as well, so you need to pay attention to that or you can be detained. They were so serious. Okay. Oh god. At the shop signs. They are literally all from 1974. That's the entrance of the Arcadian Hotel. Look at that. Now it is in horrible state. And this is the kiosk. People where they were buying cigarettes, newspaper, chewing gums, etc., etc. And this is the Opera building. Another kiosk. Oh god. It's written in Greek. I can read a bit Greek, I can speak a bit also, but I'm not fluent and therefore I do not understand anything. Sorry guys. Okay. Bank of Cyprus. Well, as far as I know, people they still have their money in here, but they cannot get it back, you know. And every single year, on regular basis, they are literally like counting the money. Brits, they were ruling this place for quite a long time, 100 years, you know. And after 1960, they have left Cyprus. My Greek Cypriot friends, my Turkish Cypriot friends, you know, as you guys know that I'm Turkish, but I like to be as impartial as I can, you know. I mean, after they have left, everything started. I mean, all I'm trying to say, if Brits stayed over here longer, do you think that this wouldn't have happened in here? I have no idea. I genuinely wish nothing have happened in here. Cleopatra Bazaar. I genuinely wish I had a chance to enter into the buildings, but there is no chance. I don't want to take the risk. You can get detained by the police and then you need to leave the island as well. Town Bazaar. Oh yeah. If you Google Famagusta, Maraş or Kapalı, Maraş, you definitely encounter with this picture. It's creepy, isn't it? All over here while I'm visiting here on a beautiful day. But like, genuinely, I have nothing to say, guys. I'm really frustrated. Really, I mean, the atmosphere is quite bleak in here. Another one. Although I have never been to Ukraine, if I ever go there one day, obviously, first the war needs to stop, finish, and the permanent peace needs to be in Ukraine. And then, if it is safe to do so, I would like to visit Pripyat, you know, where Chernobyl disaster happened. I don't know, I mean, like, both places I have watched many documentaries, videos of the YouTubers, even read books, you know. So I like. Oops. Spoken way too much, look at that. Oh dear. Oh dear. I'm so happy that I came over here. Literally, the building is falling apart. Cyprus lace, handcrafts and souvenirs. Haylos bir yerdeyiz. It's quite harrowing. Every single buildings, they are literally in ruins, you know. I mean, imagine like if you own this place and like they are telling you to leave your home and you cannot come back again. That's as far as I can go. As soon as you see this green net, that indicates you cannot go any further, and I don't want to take the risk. Kitchen of the house, I think. By the way, this is the mosque, not the small masjid, like smaller than the mosque, you know. Well, it has been restored. Do you know why? Because this place belongs to Turks, and therefore we had a chance to restore it. Oh, by the way, I need to tell you that 80% of the population were Cypriot Greeks in here, you know, and therefore they're always saying that literally this part belongs to us, give it back to us, you know. And as far as I know, after they have opened this place, and they've said to the Greek Cypriots, you know, if you have properties in here, hotels, etc., etc., you can come, and then what you can do, you can like restore your property, hotel or house, whatever you have, you know, and then you can run it. But majority of the Greek Cypriots, they were against that, and I think, as far as I can remember, Greeks as well. Oh, solution to problems, they aren't very easy, aren't they, guys? All traffic lights. His name, the Dikran Uzonyan, he is an Armenian Cypriot, and I made a research about him on Google, Wikipedia. He's like a very wealthy person, and at the same time he's still selling cars and doing other businesses. Because you know, when we were at the Toyota, and his name was written there also. Oh, it's too hot. I'll go somewhere, grab something to drink, and I'll go to the beach. Yeah. Cafe in here, by the way, guys. But you need to bear in mind, they are just taking the payments by card. Cash is not valid. I'm so lucky that they have given that to me from the house. Many thanks for the lad who's working in here. Very kind of him. So I'm going to just chill a bit, have a couple of facts, have my drink, and then we'll go to the beach. Okay, so I'm going to the beach now. I'll just spend some time there, and then I'm planning to go back to the town center. Oh, politics and religion, genuinely, they are always an obstacle for us in our lives. I prefer to refrain talking about religion and politics on my channel, guys. Sorry about that. Like that, I cannot avoid when I'm in here. There's no chance. Someone speaking Azeri. Oh God. Oh God. Oh yeah. Beautiful crystal clear water, isn't it? It must be amazing to swim in here. Maybe one day. Salt. Oh dear. How it is seducing me, tempting me. Alright, just a quick one, guys. I will zoom for you. Can you see this hotel in distance? Oops. Okay, let's talk about it. Unfinished hotels. This is so sad. There is a cliche about this place. Here was the Las Vegas of Middle East. Turks dropped the first bomb to this hotel, and then everything literally commenced. I wish we never had to fight. Look at the sea. Absolutely stunning. I can spend my entire day in here. Oh, look at that. Well, what really made this place very special? Obviously the sea. I have a friend of mine who has studied in Cyprus 4 or 5 years. He told me that he wasn't living not too far from here. He was like, every single day when the sun was up, we were going to the beach swimming. I would definitely have done the same. Alright, my dear subscribers, I know you don't like my ugly face. Right, I'm talking way too much. Please don't forget to write a comment, like, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know, what do you think about it? About Cyprus? Maybe if you can make some research online, Google, Wikipedia, wherever it is. But do you know what? I prefer the impartial, the information about it. But or it is better to read both sides of opinion, huh? Oh dear. I really deserve one beer. Too hot, 23 degrees now, whoa. But by the way, if you come over here, you need to pay just with card. At these Famagusta, the Kapalı Maraş, they do not accept cash at any place, just bear in mind. I'm in paradise, genuinely. Cheers.
You can see traces of war. Look at the walls of the hotel, bullet holes, Oh dear. After spending some time, it was time to go back. I had such an amazing time, and I am advising for everyone, if you ever go to Cyprus, You must visit this place. Let's hope that one day permanent peace will be in Cyprus, like in the past. I know it sounds pretty cliche, but there's not much I can do, or we can do. And let me know your opinions, guys. You are more than welcome to write a comment. Write what's passing through your mind, you know. Please don't swear or insult at me. These kind of comments will be deleted. Thanks for your comprehension. And meanwhile, the music of this video has been composed by me. Okay everyone, many thanks for watching my video. That is all from me from today. I'm going to make another part, Cyprus part 2, but it won't be about Varosha, it will be about the Famagusta town. Okay, so look after yourselves and see you at the next one. Take care, bye.